You've heard me talk about before how at the foundation of a digital sales strategy is educating your audience or your prospective customers. And one of the best ways to do that is by publishing educational content online. I love writing, I like blogs, I like newsletters. But what I find working with clients sometimes is they might not have the platform set up for doing an ongoing blog or doing an ongoing newsletter. Or maybe you're not sure if you want to commit to doing a series of blogs where it actually makes sense to build that out as part of your online collateral. So a really cool feature I want to show you about today, and maybe you're already aware of it, so let this serve as a reminder to you, is that LinkedIn actually has a native article platform built directly on it that allows you to post full-length articles with videos, or sorry, with embedded pictures, with embedded links, with formatting. So all these different tools that you can use to really have a well built out article. So you get the benefit of having the full rich editor there, but you also get the social aspect of when you post something, people who are in your network or follow you on LinkedIn can then interact with that post too. So let's quick walk through how to do that. So if you're on your feed for your LinkedIn news feed, you go over here and hit write article. So instead of hitting to do a post, you do write article. Then you can pick a page that you want to publish to, and you're probably just posting for yourself. If you run a business page, you can run for that business page as well. But in this case, I'm just going to post for myself. And then once you're here, then you can create your article. And so again, there's title, there's the full WYSIWYG editor. When I say WYSIWYG, I mean what you see is what you get editor. So you can say this is my post. This is a headline. And then what you can do then is highlight things and then go up here and change the headings to heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. You can do pull quotes. You can embed pictures in there. There's a lot of functionality in there. It also gives you the option to have a featured image that'll show up at the top there and get through dimensions. Again, you can do one-off posts. So let's just say I had this ready to go. I'd hit next, and then I could go through and actually publish it. But in this case, I don't actually have any content here, so I can't do that. If you want to have ongoing content that goes out in a newsletter format, you can also set up newsletters. So in that case, you can see here it says manage. I go over and hit create newsletter. That would actually allow me to kind of build a frame or a newsletter that then I could publish ongoing articles to that newsletter. And people that opted to subscribe to that newsletter will get notifications every time a new post came out. So this is an awesome functionality that's built into LinkedIn. Here's an example of one from InsurTech Hartford that they just put out today. So this is their post, our list of top 5 InsurTech conferences to attend. You can see here there's different headings, there's links to different websites, lots of cool stuff and cool features you can have in here. And again, at the bottom you can see it's got at this point 33 reactions, some comments to it. So you have this nice social benefit of having the articles on LinkedIn too. So again, if you're looking to start doing more educational content or publishing more long form text, but you're not ready to commit to setting up like a blog on your website or setting up a separate Substack or something like that that's more of a dedication to doing that kind of stuff, which I recommend you do, get dedicated to it. Let's just say you're not ready yet. The LinkedIn header, so the LinkedIn article functionality and the LinkedIn newsletter functionality is a great thing to look at.